Because I was bragging a lot about my steaks, the guys from the Argentinian cut threw me a challenge and sent me the biggest and most beautiful piece of meat I've ever seen and challenged me to cook it to perfection in the Weber. So help me God. This is the biggest steak I ever attempted to cook. Just because of the size of it, it can be a big win or a huge disappointment. I mean, just controlling the temperature to cook this baby to perfection will be close to impossible. I don't know what I'm gonna do, so you keep yourself to then and let's find together what happened when I put this baby in the Weber. If you know your beef, you will already know that this is the entire chuck eye roll. This is so big that it's normally cut into pieces to make several steaks with it. And if we place this baby on the scale, it will blow your mind. 120 ounces of meat as the whole piece is definitely out of my comfort zone. How can I make this happen? Let's see if I can change their mind. I don't think I'm gonna allow them win that easy. Let's make this happen. The first thing I will do with this steak will be to add some oil to it. That will help the spices stay on the meat without falling because we will move this baby a lot. After the oil, I will add sea salt and pepper. And even though this giant can hold a lot more spices, I will keep it this way just for the sake of simplicity. Also, this might be a long cook and I don't really want to have more spices burning at different temperatures and affecting the cooking that way. With the steak salted and ready, I will place it on the side and allow the spices to work on it for about 30 minutes. And meanwhile, I'm going to create a compound butter to complement the cook. For this version of the compound butter, I will use 1 bar of unsalted butter, parsley, garlic, thyme leaf, and pepper to your lightness, and place it in the fridge while we light up the grill. Because this is a long cook, I will add some hickory wood to the fire for those amazing and unique flavors of the smoke. But remember, this is not what we normally call smoking the meat. I will be opening this grill a lot, as I'm planning to rotate and move the steak around a lot, and every time that I do that, the smoke will be lost. So yes, I will be losing some smoke in the process, but still, it is worth it, as the smoke flavors and the beef are a match made in heaven. And every time I get to flip the steak, I will also add some compound butter to it. I want to keep this steak as moist as I can. Now, with our grill hot and ready, it is time to plan for the temperature. I will be cooking this steak with the grill at 300 degrees, and I will cook it until the internal temperature of the steak gets to 120 degrees. And once the steak internal temperature gets to what we want, I will remove it and rebuild my fire with a different configuration. Now for the searing. I want this fire to be as hot as possible, so I will get rid of the slow and sear and drop the coals right on the bottom of the grill, and add some more to it, and once everything is flaming hot again, it is time to sear. Well, Miss Ninja, I have here the biggest steak I ever cooked in my life. And believe it or not, that's only half. Look at the other one there.
Oh, it's so like it looks super red.
It's rare. It's beautiful. I think I call it medium rare. It's amazing. I just give it a little try and it was crazy good. I couldn't resist, guys. And it's great. I think you're gonna love it.
Let's see what happened. I mean, the contrast of the color looks just absolutely gorgeous.
120 ounces, Miss Ninja. 120 ounces steak. That's 7 pounds and...
Are you gonna eat all of this?
We have to eat it all. We cannot stop the video until we eat it all, man.
Georgie, come on, honey.
Miss Ninja, I want you to give it a try and give me your honest opinion.
I will.
On how do you like it? You
Give
want
me
this one?
Small piece, not
Small
too big.
piece
Yes.
If not, you're gonna be chewing there for an hour. We don't want that to happen.
And there you go.
All right, Miss Ninja,
Look
have
at
her
the colors,
part.
how beautiful.
It's amazing.
They look gorgeous.
Came out
They do.
perfect, guys.
I love this. Oh.
Ah, you got the hickory there?
Yeah.
Let's go for it, Miss Ninja.
Let's do it. Oh, wow. The flavor is intense.
Wow, guys, this thing is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Wow. Guys, it came out amazing. It took a long time and a lot of movement, but it came out amazing. How do you like it, Miss Ninja? Tell me the truth.
The flavor, I love it. The tenderness, it's in between.
Well, it's because of the steak. It's not the most tender steak in the cow,
No, it's not.
but it's huge. And that's what we wanted to do. So, people from Corte Argentino, here you have it. Tell me if I'm the master of the steaks or not. And put it down in the comments because I want to know your opinion about it.
Dang it. Okay.
Let me tell you something, man. Let me remind you about the giveaway we have going on right now.
Yes, don't forget.
We are giving away a whole set of rubs from Nilserat. These 10 different rubs that you guys are going to love. And we're shipping all over the world. Next week, we're going to have the winner for it already.
Oh, that's right.
Next week, we're going to have the winner. And one of you guys are going to be the winner if you go to my website and subscribe to the newsletters.
Do it.
I guarantee you're not gonna get any spam. All you're gonna get is emails from me with the new videos and that kind of stuff. That's all you're gonna get. So don't worry, go there, enter your email address and your name, and you're gonna be in for this amazing giveaway. And next month, I have a plan already, guys.
What is it?
You're gonna love it next month.
What is it?
I cannot say it.
Okay.
I can say it.
You'll have to watch the next video then.
So guys, let me ask you something. Did we make you hungry?
Did we?
If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to share these videos on your social network. That helps us a lot.
A lot.
And I know you're going to have a lot of comments. Some people are going to say, oh, it's too rare. Some people are going to say, oh, you cook it too much. Put it down there, man. I love to talk to you guys. I love to interact with you guys. So put the comments down there. Whatever you have to say about this huge monster 120 ounces steak, put it down there.
Yes,
that's all for today, but remember that I love you.
I love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next
one.
Bye.